Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most intriguing entries in the compact camper segment, an all-new 2025 Kia Camper Motorhome. This vehicle represents a bold move for Kia, combining the brand's reputation for sleek design and tech-savvy interiors with the growing demand for compact, efficient, and multifunctional campers. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a full-time van lifer, or just curious about what the future of mobile living looks like, this camper deserves a close look. At first glance, the 2025 Kia Camper immediately stands out with its ultra-modern exterior. The design draws inspiration from Kia's EV lineup, particularly the sleek contours and futuristic styling of the EV9, blending sharp lines with a clean aerodynamic silhouette. It doesn't scream traditional RV. Instead, it feels like a natural evolution of the crossover SUV turned camper. The LED headlights are thin and aggressive, framed by a wide grille that doubles as an air intake for auxiliary battery cooling. The sculpted sides and matte finish give it a tech-forward aesthetic that appeals to younger and design-conscious travelers. With its two-tone body options and subtle roof accents, it manages to look both rugged and refined. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. Kia offers the camper in both hybrid and all-electric variants. The hybrid model pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 225 horsepower. It's efficient, responsive, and designed to optimize fuel usage on long road trips. On the other hand, the fully electric version features a dual-motor setup capable of producing close to 300 horsepower, with a range of up to 280 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and usage. Fast charging support enables you to recharge from 10% to 80% in under 40 minutes, making this camper as practical as it is green. Kia also promises Level 2 autonomy on certain trim levels, which means long highway drives are now more relaxed, thanks to adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and auto-braking technology. Step inside, and the camper transforms into a highly livable space thanks to Kia's smart interior layout. The cabin is thoughtfully designed to maximize every inch. When parked, the second-row seats rotate 180 degrees to face the living area, and a collapsible dining table rises from the floor. The seating area converts into a bed that comfortably sleeps two adults. The upholstery is a high-quality, vegan, leather material that feels premium while remaining easy to clean, ideal for outdoor excursions. One of the most innovative features is the modular kitchenette. Hidden behind a sliding side panel, it pulls out to reveal a dual-burner induction stove, a small sink with a collapsible faucet, and a refrigerated drawer. It's compact, efficient, and fully electric, powered by the vehicle's main battery pack or an optional solar panel system mounted on the roof. The interior also features plenty of hidden storage compartments beneath the floor, behind panels, and within the walls, making it easy to pack everything you need for a weekend trip or extended travel. Climate control is handled through a dual-zone system, which is surprisingly robust for a vehicle in this category. There's also an integrated air filtration system designed to keep the cabin comfortable regardless of weather or location. Even the bathroom is cleverly executed. In larger variants, you'll find a wet bath setup with a composting toilet and retractable shower head, while the more compact models use a slide-out external shower module and portable toilet stored under the bed platform. Tech-wise, the camper is no slouch. The dashboard features a large panoramic touchscreen that spans across the center, integrating navigation, media, vehicle controls, and smart home connectivity. You can control lighting, temperature, and security remotely via the Kia Connect app. Voice control is intuitive and integrated with AI, so saying "I'm cold" can automatically increase the cabin temperature, or "make coffee" can activate a compatible smart appliance. Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB-C ports, and wireless charging pads ensure that staying connected on the road is never an issue. And for digital nomads, Kia includes a built-in 5G hotspot and optional fold-out workstation with an adjustable monitor arm. In terms of drivability, the Kia Camper is surprisingly nimble. Thanks to its car-like chassis and electronic steering system, it handles more like a crossover than a traditional RV. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and an automatic parking assist make maneuvering in tight camping spots a breeze. The suspension is specially tuned to handle additional weight without compromising comfort, and adaptive dampers adjust in real time based on terrain, which is ideal for gravel roads and light off-roading. Where Kia really steps ahead of competitors is with its sustainability and aftercare options. The solar roof system, optional battery expansion packs, and use of recycled interior materials highlight Kia's commitment to eco-conscious travel. And with an expanding network of certified service centers, plus over-the-air software updates, owners can keep their camper running smoothly without frequent visits to a dealership. There's also a subscription model for those who want to lease the camper short-term, complete with maintenance and insurance bundled in. So what makes the 2025 Kia Camper a standout in this growing segment? It's the perfect marriage of style, technology, and practicality. Unlike many camper vans that require serious compromise, either in drivability, comfort, or cost, this Kia model finds a solid middle ground. It's stylish enough for the modern explorer, practical enough for daily use, and tech-savvy enough to satisfy even the most demanding digital nomads. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle platform on wheels. Whether you're heading to a mountain campsite, the beach, or simply want a mobile office with a view, the 2025 Kia Camper Motorhome offers an experience that goes beyond conventional travel. It's for those who want to roam without sacrificing modern comforts or aesthetics. And with Kia's competitive pricing and warranty support, this camper might just redefine what people expect from a compact motorhome. That's it for today's deep dive. If you're considering stepping into the world of van life, or simply want an all-in-one road trip machine, the Kia Camper could be exactly what you're looking for. Let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most, and if you could take this camper anywhere in the world, where would you go?